Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing well and having a great day. In today's video, we'll be looking at these 15 important GK MCQs or multi-choice questions that may come for your job exams or entrance exams. Number 1. Which of the following planets is called the evening star? The answer is B. Venus. Number 2. Soma Mondal became the first woman chairperson of which of the following organizations? The answer is A. SAIL. Number 3. Who is the father of English literature? The answer is C. Geoffrey Chaucer. Number 4. When is World Diabetes observed each year? The answer is C. 14 November. Number 5. Who inaugurated the India International Trade Fair 2021 in New Delhi? The answer is D. Piyush Goyal. Number 6. The river Volga pours its waters into which sea? The answer is D. Baltic Sea. Number 7. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? The answer is A. Andes. Number 8. The sun consists mostly of? The answer is C. Hydrogen. Number 9. The biggest star in our galaxy is? The answer is B. UY Scuti. Number 10. Which country awards the Nobel Prize? The answer is D. Sweden. Number 11. World Post Day is observed on? The answer is C. October 9th. Number 12. Where is Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary? The answer is B. Chhattisgarh. Number 13. When was First World Music Day observed? The answer is C. 1982. Number 14. Who is the new director of Central Bureau of Investigation? The answer is B. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Number 15. What is the largest lake in Africa? The answer is C. Victoria.